At final score, 72-70. A wild finish ng ating Group B between 1999 Covenants and 98 Heroes. Congratulations ang ating best performer, Gian Corpus. With 41 points, season high yan. 8 rebounds
Thank you.
on 53% shooting. Yes, nice play. Shoutout kay Mr. Mercado. Napaka-importanting agaw. And the go-ahead basket para lumamang kayo. Plus yung free throw ni Igban on the last. Pero rightfully, binitbit talaga ni Mr. Corpus silang dalawa ni Mercado. Yung laro natin. Kudos sa Heroes. Magandang pinakita until the last second. So anong insights mo sa laro natin, Mr. Corpus?
Kaya nga, hirap talunin ng 98. Kudos to Batch 1998. Hirap talaga talunin. First time namin sila talunin.
Alright.
Buong season, ha? Buong interbatch. Ngayon lang namin sila tinalo, kaya masarap yung
So
pagkapanalo.
accomplishment para sa Covenants to. First time lang nilang makamit yung panalo against the Heroes. Pero it was a well-fought ball game. Balancing-balance yung laro natin. Teamwork ng Covenants na naig. At si Corpus talaga, yung kanyang inside presence, walang maisagot talaga itong Heroes. Eh, nagbago kay Mr. Corpus. A good thing.
It's better to be good.
Yes. Sino gusto mong batiin? Sige.
Yun lang, Batch 99, sa pamilya ko, tsaka sa'yo. Salamat, Boss Gads.
Yes.
Sa bumubuo
Thank you.
ng team, Boss Gads. Maraming salamat.
Alright, that's our best performer, Gian Corpus. Maraming pa kasunod dyan. Mahaba pa yung season natin.
Thank you.
First game pa lang nila. Next game natin mamayang 1:30. Group B pa rin tayo. We'll see you.
Thank you.